So I just removed these two so far on heat shield. I think that's good enough. That one's stripped. I'm not going to cut it right now. Let's get a 17mm socket. We're going to remove this. Alright, so what I had to do is, if you see here, there's a 17, and the opposite side there's another 17. You just have to either put a wrench or another socket on the side, and then just crack it and then take it off. One nut, the nut is on the right side of the bike, and the actual long bolt is on the left side of the bike. So once that's off, now what we're doing is the bolt that's on the opposite side, we're going to pull it out, pull this back, and then, there we go. You don't have to take the whole thing. Slip that on, and then we're going to put these Allen bolts back in. We're going to take off this top nut. There's two here. I'm sorry, the top bolt. There's two. And that is a 14. So we're going to take that off. So now that's out. This is the top one. Next we're going to go to the other side, and we're going to add the new nut, which is now huge. It's a 19. Fantastic. Bolt off of here, which is a 12mm. So, crack this loose, and then we're just going to let the horn hang down. Right. Now I'm going to come along here, sit the bar up, get that washer on here, and we're going to put that new nut on here. Sit it on there for now. Alright, so now what we're going to do is use the new supplied bolt with the washer. This is the old one, it's the new one. I'm going to line this up, just hand thread it in. This was an 18 on the new bolt. This was a 19. 18 is on the right, 19 is on the left. So now I'm coming up here to the horn. What you do is you just pull the bar in front, line it up, then we're gonna attach the bracket on the front. And now this size is a 14 on the new hardware. So you got a 14. And yes, you have to use the washer that came with it. Alright, so I'm gonna nice and tight. Now I'm going to get the 19. Just tighten this up a little more. Now I'm going to get the 18 and now I'm just going to get the 18 and finish tightening this one. That's it.